mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited that we're gonna get into another DIY makeover vlog style. For today's video, we're actually gonna be redecorating an entire bedroom. So the room that I'm standing in right now is the guest bedroom that's attached to my bedroom, which is right next door. And we decided that we're gonna turn this into a filming studio slash work area slash beauty room slash pretty much station for all things that I need to do in terms of YouTube and all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to show you a quick overview of what the room is looking like. It's not so big, but I think it's a great potential space for a studio. I love that there's so much windows and natural light in this room. And I love that it has like a window seat area. I think it has such nice potential to be something really nice here. So I'm completely gonna change it, the colors, everything. And then we have like the main wall right here, which obviously this bed is a queen size. It's huge. So we are gonna be getting rid of the bed because there's no space for a bed in this room. And it's gonna be completely transformed once we're done. Today I'm actually having the room painted. This is the only thing left in here. I'm probably just gonna put it in the middle while they paint it. This is the color I decided to do. It's pretty much, it's called Touch of Gray. I'm really into it. I think it's gonna look really nice. And then later today, me and Aaron are gonna go ahead and go to IKEA. And that's where I'm already gonna go and start buying like the accessories that I wanted. So guys, fun fact, this is actually the first time in IKEA ever. I don't know how he's lived up to this. I'm gonna sign you up to the little kids area play place. You wanna go?
Wow, this is so much fun.
It looks fun.
There's nobody there.
When we have kids, we should just bring them here and it's like free daycare.
Exactly.
Did you really come to IKEA if you didn't get ice cream? Okay guys, so believe it or not, I'm standing in a mirror right now. This mirror is huge, look at this. It's actually a pretty good price. It's about $100 just for this. Look, this guy's eating 2 ice creams.
The dirtiest look from like a 5-year-old girl.
Really?
She saw me with 2 of these ice creams. She's like,
This is the best part of IKEA. Isn't that the best thing ever?
What?
Don't you regret not coming to IKEA as a child now?
God dang. Taking up the whole entire car.
Egan, you have to promise me you're not gonna break hard. Please.
I'll try.
Otherwise,
Okay.
let's go. So this is a beautiful color. I'm so happy that I ended up choosing it. And the room just looks so clean. And yeah, literally the only thing in this room right now is the mirror that you guys saw that I bought. I am so obsessed with this mirror, guys. It's huge. So I'm probably just gonna leave it down on the floor. I don't want to hang it. I like the way it looks this way. So I was looking at light fixtures and they were so freaking expensive everywhere. I was thinking to do like an LED one tied to the wall, but honestly I just want like exposed light bulbs so that there's the best light I can get for filming. I actually got so lucky. I was so happy. I stopped by with my hubby. We went to Value Village. So I found this little light fixture from Value Village. It was $3.99, so it was $4. And pretty much it just looks like a mini vanity, so you could put like 3 light bulbs right here. And I went to Home Depot and I got these bulbs. It came in a pack of 4, 60 watts with 800 luminous. This is pretty much the brightest bulb you can get for daylight. So I got it in daylight also, so it's not yellow. It's very crisp and white. And pretty much looks like daylight outside. Even though it's very bright in here right now, so you guys can't tell how much light it actually produces. But when it's nighttime, it's still amazing. It brings so much light, which I love. So this is the first thing that I actually ended up getting. It was $4.99, it was $5, and I needed like a little table thing that I could put next to the couch that's gonna be here eventually. So this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cheap because it's a little bit ruined. But what I had in mind for this is that I'm actually going to spray paint it. I bought the rose gold because rose gold is probably the theme that I'm going to be going for. So I'm going to go ahead and probably spray paint all the black right here rose gold, which would look really awesome once I have the brick wallpaper. It's going to give it that whole rustic vibe, which I really like. This rose gold is so beautiful. I actually think I may spray paint the top the rose gold color because it's so nice. Next up, I wanted to show you guys, you can tell that this vent is brown and it's totally clashing with everything that's going on right now. So I'm just gonna pull it out and now I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it white. Okay, spray paint is all dried up now. There we go. Now it's all nice and white and it just matches a little bit better instead of clashing with the brown. Guys, I ordered a wallpaper that I really wanted badly for this back big wall where I'm probably gonna be filming most of my videos. And it's pretty freaking huge and it's heavy. I hope I did all the measurements correctly. When it comes to doing DIY projects, I honestly wear like my drawers clothes because I end up getting sweaty. So I'm just wearing Aaron's shirt and some biker shorts. Oh my gosh, look, it's actually like already cut up into pieces. So I don't even think I need to cut it. That's amazing. And by the way, this is the wallpaper. You could kind of tell it's like a photograph, but I feel like from far it should look good. It has all the steps written out here and it is a sticker, so I'm just gonna peel and stick it up and I think it's gonna go well. Let's do this. I wanted to recreate the window seat pillow cushion thing that I had because this is the color of the window seat cushion right now and it is not matching the aesthetic of this room whatsoever. Pretty much all we're going to be doing is just reupholstering this. So we're going to skip ahead right now and I'm going to show you an amazing hack to where you can get fabric for very cheap. But here's a little hack for you guys. Instead of going to like Fabricland or any of these fabric places and buying like a huge piece of fabric, because those can get really, really expensive, what I like doing instead is I actually come to Walmart and I look for curtains and curtains that they have on sale. Like for example, they have these dark black ones and these are on sale for $11.88. So I actually found one in like this dark gray color, which I think would look really nice in the room. And I think it would look really perfect with the dark colors of the wallpaper and I think it will look really good.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
Okay guys, the day's finally here. The room is complete. You ready? It's been such a long process, but here we go. You guys remember how it looked before? Well, here it is now. I can't believe it's finally done. What a transformation. So I'm just gonna go show you guys around. So I guess you guys can see that the wallpaper is what probably made the most difference in this entire room. And I'm honestly so obsessed with it. The white brick was such a great idea. This is the wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon and I'm truly so in love with the way that it looks. I love how it looks really gritty and raw and it is honestly so perfect for the aesthetic in this room, yet it is still white and bright and still keeps the room looking very light. And I guess what makes it look so beautiful and mystical is just the entire strand of fairy lights that we have going on throughout the entire wall. And this is honestly just one set. It's 300 LED copper wire lights and this only cost about $25 from Amazon, so affordable as well. I'm actually gonna link every single thing that I can find down in the description box for you guys so that you can get your hands on it as well. This is the first piece of furniture you guys saw me put in my room. It is this white couch from Walmart. It is so affordable as well. I think it was about $200 Canadian, which is even cheaper in the States. Being that the room is so small, I knew that I needed a piece of furniture that wouldn't take up too much space. And what is great about this couch is it's actually very low. Before, the plastic wooden legs were not pretty at all and they didn't suit the aesthetic, so all I did is spray paint them and now they came out looking perfect. Moving on to this little corner right here, I actually really love the look of this. The first thing we have here is just this little couch chair thing that I got from Urban Planet. Very cheap, it was 50% off. It ended up being 25 bucks and I love the pop of color. That's why I decided to get it because I thought pink would be a great idea. And overhead that, I actually have this metal grid that I love so much. It was also very affordable from Urban Planet. It was actually yellow gold originally, but then I took my rose gold spray paint and I just spray painted it all over with the little clips as well. And for now, I just pinned up these like little cute quotes that match really beautifully with the aesthetic, and these are from Michaels. But generally, I would use this little station as a way to keep organized. I would put down my little video ideas and it will really help me stay organized, but in a really cute way. We're gonna move on right here over to this section, and it is another corner that I really love. The first thing you guys can see is I have this little clothing hanger right here, and this is definitely an essential for any beauty, I guess, fashion related YouTuber. Whenever I do fashion videos, I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. It was also from IKEA. I think it was about $19. I love it. It was very inexpensive. I'll link it down below as well. On that, I have some little black velvet hangers, and these ones are also from Urban Planet. And this section is a little bit random, but sometimes in Toronto it tends to get very cold, so I just decided to throw in this little pink fuzzy blanket that I had at home because it ties in the pink that is going on throughout the room, and it is sitting in a little rose gold basket that is also from Urban Planet Home. For the curtains, there's nothing too special. I wanted a lot of natural light to be coming into the room, so I just kept it very simple, and I just have these like little tulle curtains that me and my mom sewed together. And the curtain rods are from IKEA. They were like actually $1.99. They were so cheap. And then moving on here, I thought that this little wall was a bit too empty, so I found this incredible LED light. And it's perfect. It says love, duh. But I love the color of the actual light. It's not white. It matches perfectly with like the lights on the wall here. It's very yellow, kind of like vintagey. I love it. I think it looks perfect with the room, and it is such a great little accessory to add on this empty wall here to bring all the lights and all the little details together. I love that as well. I honestly dreamed of having a window seat ever since I was little. Here's a little pillow that you guys saw me make with the curtains. I actually love the shade of gray. I think it is so perfect with the little gray accents going on in the brick wallpaper. It is beautiful. On top of that, I bought 2 fuzzy pillows. These were both on clearance at HomeSense, which is kind of like home goods for you guys. And I found a pink one, which I had to pick up because again, I think it ties perfectly with the pink going on throughout the room. And otherwise, I found this really light gray one as well, which I also think looks really beautiful. And then for probably one of my favorite sections, it is the little, I guess, selfie station. Oh yeah, guys, don't mind my outfit. I am heading to the gym right after this, but I am obsessed with how this whole selfie station mirror situation turned out. It makes the room look so much bigger, first of all, which is incredible. And I love how it kind of like brings the wallpaper bouncing back on this wall as well. So then this wall doesn't seem too simple because it's like bam, you know? I had it sitting on the floor. I think it looks much cooler that way, much more modern and sleek. And then on top of that, I have little fairy lights going down right here. This is a shorter strand. I think it's like 24 or 25 lights. So whenever I'm down to take like a close-up selfie, it looks really cool. And if I'm down to do an entire outfit selfie, it looks really nice as well. And since I couldn't change the carpet of the entire room, I just decided to get this like little fuzzy carpet, which I really love. It's being sold everywhere also, and I just love the hue of this white. It's very perfect and it matches the couch beautifully. But the selfie station came out so bomb. I'm so happy with it. And if you aren't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram and you guys will be seeing a lot of pictures in this area. And right next to the mirror, I did want to have a little bit of accents here. You guys saw me get this table at Value Village. I spray painted it and I think it's so beautiful and perfect with the aesthetic. I love that the table is like broken up a bit and it looks very vintage and rustic. I'm obsessed, and the colorway is perfect also. And that was, again, guys, $3.99 or $4.99. It was so cheap, and then I just spray painted it and now it looks so luxurious. Like, spray paint is everything. Urban Planet was actually selling 3 of these mirrors in a pack, and one of the mirrors were broken, so they were really cheap, so I just decided to get them anyway, and I'm only using 2. And they're actually so nice because they have white going on, but they have like rose gold details going on in the circles. And it's kind of like a nice little touch, you know, for this whole selfie station. But that is it, guys. That is my entire room transformation. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. That honestly helps me out so much. And if you guys did like this video and you do like DIYs, thrifting videos, pretty much everything to do with living life on a budget, you guys should definitely subscribe to this channel because I film so much different content for you guys on pretty much how you can save money in every little aspect of your life. Whether it be beauty, fashion, DIYs, everything you can imagine to living life on a budget, you'll find it on this channel. So be sure to subscribe and join our amazing family. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram because on there you'll see a lot more daily content from me. But otherwise, I really want to hear your comments, so please comment down below what you guys think. Do you like this transformation? Did I do a good job? Do you think I should have added a bit more? Is it a bit much? Let me know. I would really love to hear your thoughts. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly love you forever and always, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It honestly helps me out a lot. And also let me know down below if you guys like this makeover and any other videos you want to see. Be sure to subscribe down below if you're new, turn on my bell, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Mwah.